Hi, I'm John Irving. Last Night in Twisted River is my 12th novel. It was in the back of my mind for 20 years before I started to write it, but maybe because it was in my mind for so long, it only took 3 years to actually write the book, which is very fast for me. It begins in 1954 in a logging camp in northern New Hampshire, right under the Quebec border. A boy, 12 years old, and his father, who's a cook in the logging camp, have to run away. They will be running away for 50 years. It takes place in a kind of frontier town, at least with a frontier mentality. One law, a bad policeman, and that policeman will be chasing them for more than 50 years. I think every reader knows that in every chase story, the people who are running away, they're going to get caught, but what you don't know is how long do they have, and when, and how the details of them getting caught will transpire. As a child, between the ages of 6 and 14, I grew up backstage in a small town theater where my mother was the prompter. So the theater, everything about the stage was my first love before I was old enough to read the novels that made me want to be a novelist. These were the long novels of the 19th century: Charles Dickens, Thomas Hardy, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Herman Melville. But I didn't read these books until I was 15, 16, 17. So my first models for storytelling came from the theater, and the ones I loved the best were all the old and classical ones, the Greek theater, Sophocles especially, Shakespeare, of course. Because I was too young to read most of these plays when I was a child, my mother always told me the story of the plays before I saw them performed on stage. And maybe because of this, I got the idea that a writer should know the story before he begins writing it, the way an actor knows his lines before he performs them. In any case, the combination of the theater in my childhood and these 19th century novels made me believe in plot. Sophocles has a plot, Shakespeare has a plot, so does Dickens, Hardy, Melville, Hawthorne. So I always begin with that. What is the diagram of the story? What is the plot? I know it and everything that happens to my characters before I begin.